Looking for the best air fryer under $100? You're in the right place. In this video, we've rounded up the top budget-friendly air fryers that deliver crispy, delicious results without breaking the bank. Whether you're cooking fries, chicken, or veggies, these picks offer great performance, value, and convenience. Let's find the perfect air fryer for your kitchen. There are many best air fryer under $100 to choose from, with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best air fryer under $100 from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Cosori 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze Air Fryer 6QT. The Cosori 9-in-1 Turbo Blaze Air Fryer 6QT is a powerful and versatile kitchen upgrade designed to deliver fast, healthy, and delicious meals with ease. Featuring innovative Turbo Blaze technology with a 3600 RPM fan and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for perfectly crispy and juicy results every time. While its advanced 5-speed airflow system and precise temperature control from 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit ensure even cooking and ideal texture in every bite. The spacious 6-quart square basket offers ample room for family-sized portions without taking up excess counter space, and the premium ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray provide a durable, non-stick surface for effortless cooking and cleaning. Operating at less than 53 decibels, it maintains a quiet and comfortable kitchen environment, while using up to 95% less oil lets you enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free. Perfect for busy families, fitness enthusiasts, or anyone seeking convenience, it also includes a recipe book to inspire creativity, making everyday cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Number 2. Ninja Air Fryer 4QT Capacity 4-in-1 Roast. The Ninja Air Fryer 4QT Capacity 4-in-1 Roast is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed to make cooking faster, healthier, and more convenient in one compact unit. Featuring 4 essential cooking functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, it allows you to prepare a wide variety of meals with ease, from crispy fries and wings to roasted vegetables and homemade dried snacks. With a wide temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers precision cooking whether you're gently dehydrating or quickly crisping food using rapid air circulation technology. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat, making it a healthier alternative to traditional frying. The 4-quart family-sized basket fits up to 2 pounds of fries, perfect for small families. Its durable ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher-safe, ensuring effortless cleanup. Reliable, quiet, and easy to use, it offers excellent value and consistently delicious results. Number 3. Nubolig Air Fryer. The Nubolig Air Fryer is a compact yet powerful kitchen companion designed to simplify everyday cooking while delivering fast, delicious results. Despite its small size, it offers impressive performance with a user-friendly touchscreen that allows you to easily adjust time and temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, cooking meals up to 4 times faster than a traditional oven. Its smart square basket design maximizes the 3-quart capacity, making it ideal for preparing meals for 1 or 2 people without taking up much counter space. Weighing just 5 pounds, it is lightweight, portable, and easy to store. Enjoy healthier versions of your favorite crispy foods using little to no oil, while cleanup remains effortless thanks to its dishwasher-safe, non-stick components. Customers appreciate its sleek design, ease of use, and convenient size, with many noting how perfectly it handles single servings while keeping cooking simple, quick, and mess-free every time. Number 4. Cosori Air Fryer Pro Compact 5QT with ceramic coating. The Cosori Air Fryer Pro Compact 5QT with ceramic coating is a powerful, user-friendly kitchen appliance designed for quick, healthy, and hassle-free cooking. Featuring 7 easy presets along with preheat and keep warm functions, it allows you to prepare meals effortlessly even without prior experience. With a high temperature of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this air fryer cooks food up to 50% faster than a traditional oven, delivering perfectly crisp results in minutes, including steak in as little as 6 minutes. Its 5-quart square basket is ideal for one-and-done family cooking, letting you prepare full meals in a single batch. Using up to 85% less oil, it creates healthier dishes without sacrificing flavor or texture. The premium ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper tray ensure easy food release and are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. With quiet operation, included recipes, and app support, it's a reliable, stylish, and efficient addition to any modern kitchen. Number 5. Bealicious 5.8QT Large Air Fryer. The Bealicious 5.8QT Large Air Fryer is a versatile and powerful kitchen companion designed to make cooking easier, faster, and healthier for everyday meals. Equipped with 12+1 touch cooking functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, dehydrate, and more, it offers convenient control through an ergonomic digital display. Featuring advanced 360-degree rapid airflow and precise IQ temp control, it cooks food up to 40% faster while using 85% less oil, delivering crispy, flavorful results without the guilt, along with helpful shake reminders for perfect texture. Its 5.8-quart square basket is ideal for one-and-done family cooking, letting you prepare full meals in a single batch. With wide view window and built-in light, it lets you monitor cooking progress in real time. Cleanup is effortless with dishwasher-safe parts and non-stick design. With a 40-plus recipe cookbook and simple instructions, it's perfect for beginners and delivers consistent, delicious results every time. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.